Samsung Odyssey G6, G65D S32Bg65D best settings. Hey guys, in this video, we will see Samsung Odyssey G6, G65D S32Bg65D best settings. First, set the resolution to 3840 by 2160, which is for 4K UHD. Next, adjust the refresh rate to 240Hz in the display settings. Now, enable FreeSync Premium for smoother gameplay. Set the response time to fastest in the OSD menu. Calibrate brightness to 80 to 100 and contrast to 70 to 80. Now choose the game mode preset for optimized visuals. Adjust HDR settings for vibrant and accurate colors. Enable local dimming for better contrast and black levels. Now, save the settings and test in your preferred games. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.